The Earth is getting hotter, with the last 11 years being some of the warmest since record keeping began.
Climate scientists warn it's fueling more extreme weather, and the pattern shows no signs of slowing. The planet is on a historic heat streak, with the United Nations Weather Agency warning the world just witnessed the hottest decade ever.
And climatological scientists say that it is not just about numbers. They say the record-breaking heat keeps melting glaciers, warming oceans, and causing more extreme weather. This month's historic heat wave in the U.S. has already smashed monthly records in more than 160 cities from the west to the southeast.
That plays out in a lot of how we live our lives, what we're doing outside, at what point, what that means for workers. Do we have cooling centers even activated and open in time in the right ways?
Climate scientists say oceans are soaking up more than 90% of the extra heat, helping land stay cooler. But ocean warming hit a record high last year, doubling its pace over the last 20 years.
We're going to bring Chief Meteorologist Chris Vickers back in as part of this conversation.
Chris, has Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan been seeing hotter than normal temperatures in the last decade?
Now, you got to put this in perspective, right? Because we kind of tend to go to most recent weather, and it's actually been colder than average here locally for the past few months. But yes, over the longer term, we're looking at years or decades, we have seen a significant uptick in our temperatures here, even in Northwest Ohio. Now, all relative, again, because yes, it's cold right now in Northwest Ohio, 38 degrees, but some of the heat that has been incredible and extreme, it's across the desert Southwest, and they are shattering records. It is currently in the 90s across parts of Arizona, where they've hit triple-digit record-shattering temperatures, and it is far from done. Look at this, Phoenix, Arizona. Let me just give you an example of it. They've had 5 straight record highs that have been shattered. That means day after day they're shattering records, and I'm not talking by a degree or two. Look at some of the old records. They're about 10 degrees above the standing records, and they are far from done. They are expecting 6 more days at record highs. That would put it 11 straight days where they are breaking a record high across Phoenix. It is some extreme heat that should reach toward triple digits again, not only Wednesday, but Thursday and into Friday. Our same hour-by-hour forecast that we use tracking some of that more extreme Southwest heat.